How much is one?
Rice pa lang yata sir.
Kuya, how much is one?
This one. Magkano ba to?
The sausage.
Sausage?
Mm.
Six.
6? So where do I make the order from? That side?
Okay.
Ah, okay. It's so busy.
Opo. Pangalan po ma'am.
It's nice. Huh?
I don't say about
Why?
every day we give love anytime, not because of one day.
You can give me for today. I don't deserve it.
So why not? Why not?
Who is here? Ate. Excuse me.
Kita ko kayuhan niya.
Ate.
Hello po.
How are you, Mama? How much is this one, Ate?
Let me check.
Okay. You've got different sizes.
Ilan to?
I also this one, this YSL.
YSL 100.
Hey, you wanna give me money? You give me corona.
I'll ask the real madam. I'm just
No problem. But what is the price range?
I really don't know about that.
Oh, okay.
$65 to $85, it depends.
Ah, okay. Okay, Ate, thank you. I will for sure
You're
come back.
welcome.
I like
Sure.
this one. It's 35 only.
Yeah, it's
See?
super cute and unique.
Super cute.
Yes, super.
Oh my God, I love it.
You know, when you are going somewhere just for
Yeah,
fashion and for the
fashion.
pocket money.
Only the card holder.
Yeah, super
See?
cute. Yeah.
And I'm thank you. I'll come back for the Sundays and let me just take a video, then I'll come back to buy this one.
Sure, will do.
Okay, thank you, darling.
Pura. Peso kalau besar na.
Ah, kale mkwano nawe je baleko. Insaula ncho kufuluma amango genda kumwira akamulika. Sorry. I did not see your face first. You want to buy me flowers? Please do. Please do. Valentine me. Let me even take a picture. It is a
فظيع
Because I want to show my friends so that maybe we will come and spend a night here.
We close 11 o'clock.
11, eh? Okay. Okay, let me go around. I'll come and pass through the mall. Okay. Okay.
Manhid.
Ayo. How much is one?
Rice pa lang yata sir.
Kuya, how much is one?
What this one? Magkano ba to?
The sausage.
Sausage?
Mm.
Six.
6? So where do I make the order from? That side?
Okay.
Ah, okay. It's so busy. It's nice. Who is here? Ate. Excuse me. Ate. How are you, Mama? How much is this one, Ate?
Let me check.
Okay. You've got different sizes. I also this one is YSL.
YSL,
Hey, you wanna give me money? You give me Corona. It's fine. Just cute. Let me show my customers. They'll come and buy.
Sure.
Guys, please come and support Ate. Is it original or what?
Class A sound.
Class A.
Copyright.
Ah, copy and class A. But that's so really that's so nice. YSL is 100 last.
Yeah. 95 we do.
95. And oh, the slipper.
First, this one, let's add.
How much?
45 only.
Give me this stuff now. Is it lightweight?
Yeah, lightweight.
Okay. Maybe you have more things here.
Yeah. Bag.
I don't want to touch your face, Ate.
Oh, sure, don't include
No, I did not put. That's why I told you.
Maybe your customer like, what is it?
cute. Oh my god, I like it. I wonder why you sell, but these backpacks, you have any average price range? Little this